You're speaking with one. I'm 18 and a half years old, sir. And of course, in my culture, I've been a man since my 13th birthday.
So you're telling us we cannot come in?
Well, with all due respect, technically the law says you cannot. What we're saying is you may not. I guess both are true. The law says you cannot because we say you may not.
All right. Props on the can-made bullshit. Very good.
No doubt. Thank you, sir.
Just keep the noise down to a minimum, okay?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Don't make us come back. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Of course.
Good night.
Night, officers.
Night.
Technically, the law says you got this here. Damn internet.
Everybody's a fucking attorney.
Fuck you, dude, Carson. Seriously,